Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening. Good evening. So let me write the today's date. Today's date, let me write. Today's date is I think 19 to 26. Yeah, Ankit post in group. Ankit post in group. I think yesterday, actually it should be in the EPT, but some people are requested. Some students are requested. So that is the reason we are taking here. Right? Some people said that, sir, can you give 2 more classes in the YouTube? Some people requested, so that is the reason I done. Yeah, so you can you post in the group? Can you post in the group? Ask people to join. Yeah, ask the people to join. Just wait a few more minutes. Let's wait a few more minutes so that all people will come. Hi Manohar. Call everyone, Manohar. So actually class is in the EPT because of some students are requested. So 2 more classes they want on the YouTube. So that is the reason. So I'm taking 2 classes on the YouTube. So some inconvenience happened. So can you post in the group so that all the people will join? Post in the group so that all the people will join. EPT group post. Yeah, I think we can start. Good evening everyone. I think we can start. This is the point where we stopped yesterday. Is it the point where we stopped yesterday? Yeah, let's start. This is the place where we stopped yesterday. Yeah, I'm starting now. Everything ready? I'm starting now. Right? Let me start. Everyone listen. So this is the today's class starting point. This is the today's class starting point. Right. Let me start it. Let me start. Careful, careful everyone. Careful everyone. Yeah, so that is a place where we stopped. Now come here. Now come here now. So in terms of expressive power, you know the relation. In terms of expressive power, you know the relation. This is the relation. Right? Fine. Now come here. Now come here now. Finite automatas are two types. Finite automatas are two types. Right? That is going to be, one is going to be DFA, another is going to be NFA. PDAs are two types. One is DPDA, another one is NPDA. Next one, LBA is two types. LBA is two types. Right? I think it is a DLBA, NLBA. Right? DLBA, NLBA. Next one, Turing machines are two types. DTM, NTM. Right? DTM, NTM. Yeah, this one you no need to discuss. It is only theoretically exist, practically not there. Just one condition. I will say lastly what is the relation, I will say, but this is theoretically existing, right? Practically not there, so no need to bother. Just think about these. Finite automatas are two types, DFA, NFA. PDAs are two types, DPDA, NPDA. Turing machines are two types, DTM, NTM. LBA two types, DLBA, NLBA. D means deterministic, N means non-deterministic. So deterministic finite automata, non-deterministic finite automata. Turing machine, deterministic Turing machine, non-deterministic Turing machine. PDA, deterministic PDA, non-deterministic PDA. Right, like that. Like that. I hope everything is fine. Now observe. What is the meaning exactly? Afterwards, I will say. This is the only introduction. See, until few classes, some introduction is going on. Right? After some point, everything will be okay. Instead of explaining everything at the starting only deeply, first give some overview, then go to in detail. It is almost like a trailer. Trailer is going on. It is almost like a trailer is going on. Right? So now observe. So DTM, NTM, DFA, NFA, DPDA, NPDA. Right? This is anyhow, right? Practically not there, theoretically there. So you no need to bother. Now listen. DFA, NFA, both are having same expressive power. In terms of expressive power, they both are same. Whatever DFA will accept, NFA will also accept same. Both are same, but what is the difference? You will see that. Next one, DTM, NTM. In terms of expressive power, both are same. Expressive power, I am talking about expressive power. In terms of expressive power of DFA, expressive power of NFA, right? Yet equal. Expressive power of DTM, expressive power of NTM, so equal. Expressive power of DPDA, expressive power of NPDA, approximately same. Sorry, it is a right PDA, na? So DPDA, NPDA having more power. NPDA having more power. Expressive power of DPDA, expressive power of NPDA having more power. Remember this, right? You will get the proofs afterwards. Just I am giving some introduction. Afterwards, you will get the proofs. Right? From today onwards, if anyone asks, finite automatas are how many types? Two types. DFA, NFA. PDA is two types. DPDA and PDA. Turing machine, two types. DTM, NTM. LBA, two types. DLBA and LBA. Anyhow, it is a practically not there, theoretically there. So no need to discuss. Now, what is the relation between DFA and NFA? Right? Expressive power, in terms of expressive power, both are same. Both are having same power. What about Turing machine? In terms of expressive power, both are same power. What about a PDA? In terms of expressive power, NPDA having more power. NPDA will accept more. DPDA will accept less. Yeah, I hope you people got it. Let me know if you are facing any issue. Let me know. Those people who are watching, if you face any issue, let me know. Anything, any problem till now? You may not get clearly. Roughly, you will get. You may not get clearly. Roughly, you will get. You will get roughly. Just some introduction is going on. Just some introduction is going on. You will get roughly. Bro, you will get roughly. Can we go ahead? You will get roughly. Can we go ahead? Roughly you will get. Can we go ahead? No, someone is saying it is going on here. Nah? Class is going on here. How it will come there? Right? So actually, if at all class is there in the EPT, right, definitely live class come there only. Right? Today, because of some students are requested. Some students are requested. Now also I'm taking here. Don't worry. Right? So today's class, right, tomorrow onwards, I think tomorrow onwards, right, I will say to you. Yeah, here only going on. Right? Here only going on. Because some people requested, otherwise I could have taken there. But anyhow, thank you so much for asking. G codes, thank you so much for asking. On YouTube is there, means how it will come there, right? Here only. Okay, I think if it is okay, I can move to the next one. If it is okay, I can move to the next one. If it is okay, I can move to the next one. Can we move next? Everyone say, can we move next? Bro, can we move next? Make it fast. Can we move next? Everyone, can we move next? Right, perfect. Perfect then. Right, we can move next. Right, so until now, fine. So I given some introduction also. Okay, that is also okay. Taruni also okay. Yeah, fine. Everyone is fine. So finite automata, two types, DFA, NFA, expressive power, both are same power. Turing machine, DTM, NTM, right? In terms of expressive power, both are same. PDA, DPDA, NPDA. In terms of expressive power, NPDA having more power. Some people are asking, if that is the case, why two, sir? If the expressive power is same, why two, sir? You will get to know afterwards. You will get to know afterwards. So what is the reason, right? Now itself, I cannot say all the details. It is some trailer is going on. Just understanding the characters. Understanding some character. What is the meaning of trailer? Everything is going on. Some roughly what is going on. Who is the hero? Who is the heroine? Who is the villain? Right? How the hero look like? Hero look like a professional. Oh, hero is an educated person in this movie. Hero is fighting every time. Oh, he's an uneducated person. Right? Heroine is a right. Heroine is looking so cute. Right? So are so glamorous. Oh, she is from town. Yeah, heroine is looking like a normal. Oh, she's from village. So something like that. So what I want to say, trailer is trailer. In the trailer, you cannot expect everything, right? Some trailer is going on. Right? Until now, some people are asking, sir, from the last 4 days, what have we done, sir? Ready, sir? Exactly from the last 4 days, what have we done? Yeah, classes went a little slow because every day I am taking 1 hour. Every day I'm taking 1 hour class. That is the reason classes are over, right? Less content only, because I want to make sure no one will miss the classes. Right? I want to make sure no one will miss the classes. That is the reason initial classes I am going slowly. Right? Other than this, nothing there. Slowly I am going. Right? One day only will come whenever from tomorrow onwards. Right? Tomorrow onwards in our EPT. Right? Every class will be almost like 3 hours. Minimum 2 hours will be there. Minimum 2 hours. Right? Now what happened until now? Let me revise one time. Until now, whatever happened, just let me revise. Right? Some roughly, if you talk about in terms of something like movie, think about something like movie. So if you see the TOC movie, as soon as I started the TOC movie, I said, what is formal language? Formal language is collection of strings. But meaning is not important, right? String meaning not important, but format is important. Okay, that's fine. Formal language definition, I said. Next one. How many formal languages? Formal languages are 4 types. Regular language, context-free language, context-sensitive language, recursive enumerable language. Right? Regular languages are accepted by the finite automata. Context-free languages are accepted by the PDA. Right? Next one. Context-sensitive languages are accepted by LBA. Next one. Recursive enumerable languages are accepted by Turing machine. 4 languages, 4 formal languages, 4 automatas. Every automata will accept one formal language. Now next one. So many automatas are there, it's okay. What is the expressive power of every automata? Bigger automata having more expressive power. Bigger automata having more expressive power, right? A Turing machine having 4 expressive power, LBA having 3 expressive power, PDA having 2 expressive power, finite automata having 1 expressive power. Okay, next one. Sir, so 4 automatas are there, it's okay. But inside one automata, any divisions? Yes. Finite automata having 2 divisions, PDA having 2 divisions, Turing machine having 2 divisions. Then what are the relations, sir? In terms of expressive power, N of A, D of A same. In terms of expressive power, DTM, NTM same. In terms of expressive power, DPDA, NPDA more power. This is a very important. This is a very important. NPDA having more power. This is a very important. Remember. Next, what about LBA? No one will ask you because practically not there, theoretically present. Okay, that is also okay. I'm thinking everyone is comfortable till now. Now, some students are asking, sir, why these many machines, right? It depending upon, right? Suppose isn't that no comparison, finite automata, okay. One comparison, PDA, okay. More than one comparison, Turing machine required. More than one comparison, Turing machine required. See this one. See everyone. This will accept to, careful. This will accept REL. This will accept CSL. There is a minute difference there. Suppose assume that 100 languages are accepted here. 100, right? 100 languages are accepted here. Let us assume here 99. Almost same. It may be they will accept only 10 maybe. They will accept something like I can say 50-50. It will accept almost 99. It is almost like 100. Roughly I am saying. Roughly means I want to say both are almost same. Because it is a theoretically there, practically not there. But in terms of expressive power, little less than Turing machine. LBA in terms of expressive power, little less. But however, that is a theoretically present, practically not there. No one will ask in the exam also. No one will ask. That there is no point of discussing about that. No discussion. One question also not there from the last 30 years. What is the need of discussion? What is the need of discussion when no question is there in the exam, right? Fine. Now you will get the more clarity. From now onwards, be careful. From now onwards, the actual game going to start. As of now, until now, I just given the introduction. From now onwards, real TOC will start. From now onwards, real TOC will start. Start now. From now onwards, real TOC will start. Start now. So can you write everyone? Can you write down everyone? Write down everyone. Real TOC will start now. Write one line. Comment in the comment section. Real TOC will start now. You got the introduction? Okay. You got the introduction. I am very happy. Now write down. Real TOC will start now. Make it fast. Everyone type. Real TOC will start now. Everyone make it fast. Make it fast, yaar. Real TOC will start now. Everyone. Arey Manohar, can't you type, yaar? Manohar, kya yaar? Can't you type? Man? Kya yaar? Real TOC start now. Taruni already done. Arey G codes, don't you type, man? Arey Ankit, can't you type? Make it fast, yaar. Arey karo yaar. Real TOC start now. Other people. Arey Manohar bhaiya. Karo yaar. Manohar bhaiya, karo yaar. Ankit bhaiya. Make it fast. These people are sleeping, yaar. These people are sleeping. This Ankit person Manohar person is sleeping. But anyhow, I'm starting now. Real TOC will start now. I'm starting now. Careful, be careful, everyone. Now write down. Write down, everyone. TOC basics. Right? Until now, introduction is done. Now basics. Basics of TOC. Basics of TOC. First one. Be careful. Some basics are there. I'm starting. From now onwards, if you listen, you will get the TOC fully. From now onwards, listen. First point. First point. Alphabet. Right? Basics. First point. Alphabet. Alphabet is a finite set of finite non-empty set of symbols. Finite non-empty set of symbols. Alphabet is a finite non-empty set of symbols. So this is the definition. If anyone asks what is the alphabet? Alphabet is a finite non-empty set of symbols. What it means? Can you take one example? Can you take one example? Example, if you see, assume that alphabet is represented by sigma. Alphabet represented by sigma. Sigma is equal to AB. It is one alphabet. Sometimes people will say alphabet sigma is equal to 0, 1. Sometimes sigma, people will say sigma is equal to, right, A, B, C. Sometimes people will say alphabet, right? So I think 0, 1, 2, something like that. They will, different people, they will say. So if you see, right, I want to ask you one thing. Automata, right? See, TOC is nothing but discussion about languages or not. TOC is nothing but discussion about languages only. TOC means language. Every language having some alphabet. When you say TOC, you will discuss about languages. Regular language, context-free language, context-sensitive language, Turing machine. Right? When you say TOC, we will discuss about languages. When you say language, definitely, right? Every language having some alphabet. Hindi language having some alphabet. English having some alphabet. Every language having some alphabet. See, this is the alphabet of one machine. This is the alphabet of one machine. This is a one more alphabet of one more machine. This is a one more machine alphabet. This is a one more machine alphabet. First machine alphabet, second machine alphabet, third one, fourth one, something like that. Now listen. English language alphabet is equal to A, B, and so on, Z. Next one. Hindi language alphabet is equal to, I think, A. I'm not sure. What is the last letter? Can you say what is the last letter? I'm not sure. Bhaiya, I forgotten, yaar. Bhaiya. Bhaiya, what is the last letter? Every language having alphabet. Are bhaiya, Hindi. Kshatra, Gna. Is it Gna? Bro, is it Gna? What is the last letter, yaar? Hindi language, what is the last letter? Every language having alphabet. No language having infinite. No language having infinite alphabet. Every language having alphabet. In English language, A to Z is the alphabet. Hindi language, A, Gna. I don't know. It's the last letter, maybe that. Right? Something like this. Right? If you can help me, I will change it. Otherwise, I will keep as it is. I want to say that every language having alphabet. Right? So first machine having some language. First machine having some language, it's having alphabet this. Second machine having some language, it is having alphabet this. Third machine having some language, it is having alphabet like this. Fourth machine having language, it is having alphabet like this. Fifth machine having language, it's having alphabet like this. Sixth machine having alphabet, it's having, right, something like this. I hope it is perfect. So if I want to say that, some people are asking me, sir, is there any language where infinite alphabet? No way. If any language contains, see, Hindi language, people used to say Hindi language is so difficult because more letters. If you go to the Tamil language having more alphabet. Is there anyone who knows? Is there anyone who knows Tamil language? Anyone here who knows Tamil language? Alphabet size more difficult. Language become more complex. Why English language? Everyone like English language. The reason is alphabet size is less. Everyone knows, listen, everyone like English language. Everyone normally will talk English language. See, all over the world, if you see, many people are talking English because alphabet size is less. Hindi language is a little tough. Hindi language is a little tough because alphabet size is more. Tamil language is more tough. Tamil language only Tamilians can talk. Tamil language only Tamilians can talk. Hindi language only Hindi people can talk. English language, all over the world people will talk because less alphabet. But remember, alphabet size is small, alphabet size big, doesn't matter. Every alphabet should have finite symbols, finite, non-empty also. When you say alphabet, when you say language, every language should have alphabet. More symbols are there, that language become more complex. Less symbols are there, that language become less easy or easy. Suppose if you find out a language where no alphabet, if no alphabet, what string is possible? If alphabet is not at all exist, what strings are possible? No. So that is the reason it should be finite. Alphabet should be finite. It is a non-empty. When you say finite, sir, zero symbols for, if zero symbols are there in that language, no string is available. So alphabet is a finite non-empty set of symbols. Remember, it should be finite size and a non-empty also. Because based on the alphabet only, strings will come. Based on the strings only, language will come. So whenever alphabet size itself is empty, no string is possible. If no string is there, right, then what is the meaning of language? So alphabet definition is done. Now let's go to second one. Two alphabet is done. See the second one. String. String is a collection of elements over the alphabet. String is a collection of elements over the alphabet, or collection of letters. Assume that everyone is one letter, or everyone is one element, right? So string is a collection of elements over the alphabet. What it means? Can you see this? One example? Can you see one example? Let us assume that sigma is equal to, AB. Let us assume that sigma is equal to AB. Let us assume, right? Now, if you see the strings, right? Some examples are coming. Sigma is equal to A comma B, collection of elements over the alphabet. Over this alphabet, right? Anything you take. So let's see this one. I think one string is AB, one string is only A, one string is only B, one string is BA, one string is so many times you can take, followed by B. One string is B followed by so many A's. Right? One more thing is so many A's, so many B's, like that. See this one. String is a collection of elements. See, I didn't return, right? One characters, one element should come one time only, I didn't return. String is a collection of elements over the alphabet. In the alphabet, whatever symbols are there, you can take those. You can take, right, both the people in any order. AB you can take, BA you can take, A any number you can take, B any number you can take, A's and B's you can use anything. So string is a collection of elements over the alphabet. It is one string. It is a one string like this. Okay, that is also fine. String also fine. Now see the third one. Everyone observe. See the third one. Everyone how to understand. See this one. Cardinality of a string. Cardinality of string. It's also very, very important. Please understand everyone. Cardinality of string. Cardinality of string. Understand everyone. Everyone listen. Sigma is equal to AB. Assume. Right? Alphabet is AB. Make sure everyone. Alphabet is AB. Okay. From this alphabet, you have one string A. Right? String length. Cardinality means string length. If you see A length is 1. If you take only B length is 1. If you take AB length 2. If you take triple AB, right, length is 4. If you take double B, and one more B, length is 5. That is okay. Next one. BA, AB. I think if you see the length, I think 8. Now observe here. Everyone. Right? AB length, right? AB length 2, BA length also 2. That is also. Now understand everyone. So over the alphabet AB, one length strings are there, two length strings are there, three length strings also there, four there, five there, everything. Remember everyone, this is very, very important. This is the very, very important. Remember everyone. Over the alphabet, sigma is equal to A comma B. One length there, two length there, three length strings are there, four length there, five length there, and so on. But remember everyone, minimal length string is over this alphabet. Minimal string is epsilon. Minimal string is epsilon. This person is called epsilon. Let me write here. This person is called epsilon. Minimal string is epsilon. Some people are asking, what is epsilon length? Epsilon length is 0. It is a very, very important one. In the TOC, this is the major point. In the TOC, this is the major point. If anyone say TOC, I know, they know this line. This is a very, very important one. Total TOC run by this person only. Total TOC run by this person only. If anyone asks you from today onwards, in the TOC, can you say one important point? In the TOC, can you say one important point? If anyone asks you in the TOC, can you say one important point? Just say this. In the TOC, the important point is there is a one person who, right? There is a one person whose length is 0. That person is epsilon. In some books, this person is called as. In some books, this person is called as a lambda. Some books they will say like this, they will show like this, lambda. In some books they will show this as a lambda. Epsilon. In some books it is a lambda, some books it is epsilon. But length is 0. Epsilon means nothing. Exactly. Epsilon means nothing. Yeah, true. That is the reason length became 0. He is the very special person. It is something like this. It is a very funny thing. Listen, it is a very funny thing. Careful. Arey, Manohar dog. Manohar dog. Manohar, is it your dog? Manohar, is it your dog? When I see Manohar, dog is visible. When I see Manohar, dog is visible. So in the place of me, can I keep dog? From tomorrow onwards, in my place, in my photo place, can I keep the dog? Your dog looks nice. I will also keep very good dog. I will also keep very good dog. Can I keep very good dog? You kept very good dog. Should I also keep? Manohar dog. Manohar, your dog is so nice. Can I keep my dog also? I also having dog. Can I keep? Yes, sir. A shameless fellow. Manohar is a very shameless fellow. Manohar want to say that whenever I am dog, why not you? Manohar want to say that when I am dog, why not you, sir? Why not Ankit? Ankit, come tomorrow, you also with the dog. Arey, G codes, you also come as a dog. You also come as a dog. Ankit, tomorrow onwards, you also will come with the dog. I will also come with the dog. Can we use pi symbol to represent epsilon? Very good, very good. You will get to know within few minutes. Careful, it is a very, very interesting, question. Manohar, I don't know who is asked. G codes, very good question, G codes. Remember this. This is the excellent point. You will see afterwards. Okay, this is a very, very good point. Very, very good point. G codes. G codes, excellent. Hats up to you. G codes, hats up to you. Can everyone write? Everyone write. G codes, hats up to you. Very good question. Everyone remember that. Everyone remember the G codes. G code asked something. Can you write that one? Can we use pi symbol to represent epsilon? Answer is no. Answer is no. Everyone remember this. Can you praise the G codes? G codes, can you praise everyone? G codes, you are excellent. Answer is no. I will say afterwards. If I say now, you will confuse. Can everyone type? G codes, you are great. Answer is no. Answer is no. That is confirmed. Right? Next one is G codes, you are very good. Can you say once? Praise good people. Praise good people. No, I will say afterwards. Ankit, I will say afterwards. Can we use pi symbol to represent epsilon? Afterwards, I will say. Don't worry. If you want, I will say now itself. But first of all, please write in the comment section. Please write in the comment section. Manohar, you are excellent. Please write it. Write everyone. Sometimes Manohar also will write. Ankit, you are good. G codes, you are good. Everyone will praise. So start right. Start right. G codes, you are excellent. G codes, you are great. Everyone write. See, good thing. You will also remember when you write, you will also remember. G codes, you are great. It's very good. Answer is no. Answer is no. Right? G codes is asking pi and epsilon both are same. Answer no. But it is a very good question. If you know that also, TOC almost over. So listen, everyone. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. TOC decided by epsilon only. TOC decided by epsilon only. Epsilon is a 0 length string. Epsilon size is 0 length string. Epsilon is a 0 length string. When you say cardinality of epsilon, 0 will come. Okay, fine. Now it's okay. It is something like this. Some people are asking, sir, what it means? What it means? What it means? There is a one person. Let me say Ankit only. Ankit age is now approximately 21 or 22. Ankit age is approximately now 21, 22. After 5 years, he will marry. He will marry, maybe love marriage or arranged marriage, I don't care. Ankit age is now 20 or 21 or 22, I don't know. Right? After 5 years, he will marry. That may be love marriage, that may be arranged marriage, I don't know. So after marriage, he got one kid. After marriage, he got one kid, right? Whose weight is 0 kg. He got one kid. Doctor said to Ankit, hello, Ankit Bhaiya, you got one kid. Oh, Ankit say, yes, thank you, doctor. But the surprising is, your kid weight is 0. It's gone. Kid weight 0. How 0 possible, yeah? How 0 possible? How one person weight is 0? How 0 possible? Right? Means what I want to say is, Reddy sir got one kid. Let us assume that I got. Ankit may be feeling bad. Let me say myself. Reddy sir got one kid. Right? That kid weight is 0. How, yaar? How possible? How? One person is came whose weight is 0. Doctors are saying, hello, Mr. Reddy, you got kid. Doctor, thank you so much. Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you so much. Then immediately doctor said that the surprise is your kid weight is 0. Oh, wow, nice. Nice, doctor. Doctor, nice. So what I want to say is, Reddy sir got one kid who is ghost. Ghost only. One person there whose weight is 0. Means he is ghost. Are you getting? There is a one person there, right? Reddy sir got one kid. That kid weight is 0. Okay. Means I think ghost. How it is possible? That is the reason I am saying it's a special kid. In the TOC, one kid is there. That kid name is epsilon. Is a special kid. Means what I mean to say is very difficult to understand. What kind of kid? How a person is possible with 0 weight? How it is possible? When you say one person, guarantee some weight will be there. How zero weight is the special? TOC special person is epsilon, whose weight is zero. Remember, total TOC is going on. Total TOC story is going on with epsilon only. That special kid only. Now, can you see this? Someone asked me, is epsilon and pi both are same? Can you see this? Can you see this one? Everyone observe. Everyone observe. See this one. Language L is equal to pi, which is equal to this. Language L is equal to pi, which is equal to this. This is the meaning of pi. Language L is equal to pi. This is like that. But see the one more. L1 is this. L1 is this. Can you see the L2? L2 is equal to epsilon, which is equal to this. Listen, which is equal to this. L1, right? L2 is equal to epsilon, which is equal to this. Means listen, this set contain no element is there in the set. No element exists in L1. But if you see here, right, one element exists in L2. Listen everyone, in the L2, one element exists. One element exists in L2 whose length is 0. Here no one exists. See, here no one exists. In the L1, no one exists. No one. In the L1, number of elements are 0. Here see this one. In the L1, number of elements 0. Number of elements is equal to 0. But here if you observe, number of elements 1. Right? Number of elements are 1. But that element length 1, that is epsilon. Its length is 0. Epsilon length is 0. But here number of element itself is 0. You got? You people got or not? Pi means empty set. So remember, which is nothing but, listen, which is nothing but, it is empty language. L1 is empty language. This means language is non-empty. Language is non-empty. Here language non-empty. See, here non-empty. Language non-empty. But element is empty. See, element is empty string. Language is non-empty. What is the reason? One element there. One element exists. So that element is, one element exists, okay? That element is empty element or empty string. One element there. That element is called empty string. See, here string is empty, but here language itself empty. In the first language, language itself is empty. In the second language, language not empty. Language contain one element. But that one person is empty. That is called empty string. I hope everyone got. So it is too early to say this because of Manohar asked me. I done it. It is too early to comment this. It is too early. But remember, in the TOC, one main person is there, epsilon. In TOC, one main person is there, epsilon. Are you getting? In the TOC, one main person is there, epsilon. Right? So if you can get epsilon, remember, if you can get epsilon, TOC you got. So say something about epsilon. Epsilon is a string. It is not language. Epsilon is a string. Oh, not Manohar. G codes. Yeah, G codes asked me little early, but anyhow, I given. Right? G codes asked me something about pi and epsilon. I said most probably everyone got. If anyone didn't get, please ask me. I will help. You no need to hide. You no need to hide. You are not listening the class for hiding the doubts. Credit goes to him. Yeah, okay, fine. right? You no need to hide because you are not attending the lecture for hiding. You are not attending the lecture for hiding. So if anyone asks to say something about epsilon, say like this one. Epsilon is a one string whose length is 0. Whose length is 0. Just say this line. This is enough. This is enough. Epsilon is a one string whose length is 0. So now listen. This is called epsilon. Lambda. Some people used to say lambda. Right? Some people used to say this person. Some people used to say this person empty string. Some persons used to say this one empty string. Right? Epsilon, some people will read. Some people will say lambda. Some people will say empty string. Some people use say null string. Null string. Different name, indirectly, directly same. Or zero length string. Or zero length string. Zero length string. Fine. Perfect. Perfect. Bro, perfect. Check, perfect. Hello, perfect. I want answer from you. If you are okay, I can move to the next. Everyone say, sir, I am perfect. Everyone say I am perfect. Very, very important. Epsilon is very, very important. Epsilon, you are understanding. You are getting TOC. In my opinion, TOC started now. Now only. TOC started now only. Alphabet, first basic point, alphabet. Next one, string. Next one is string. Now I will ask one small question. Everything is going on. See this one. I think string also over. Cardinality also over. Now come here. Now come here. Cardinality also over. Right? Now come here. Careful. Careful this also. Prefix. Prefix of string. Prefix of string is set of leading symbols of string. Just write this. Prefix, right? Prefix of string is set of leading symbols of string. What it means, I will give the answer. What it means, I will give the answer. Prefix, right? Prefix of string is a set of leading symbols. Just underline this. Prefix of string is set of leading symbols of string. If anyone having doubt, I will give clarity. If anyone having doubt, I will give clarity. Can you see this? Prefix of. Prefix of. Everyone understand? Prefix of A, B, C, D, E. It is a string. Prefix of string or prefix of A, B, C, D is nothing but, listen, set of leading symbol. Remember everyone? Leading symbols. Prefix of A, B, C, D, E is equal to set of leading symbols. What leading symbol means? From left side. Leading symbol means from left side. So first symbol is A. Next leading symbols A, B. So remember, always starting from C. Set of leading symbols. Leading. You cannot take only B. You have to always start from starting. Set of leading symbols A, B, C. Set of leading symbols A, B, C, D. Set of leading symbols A, B, C, D, E. Right? Next one. You see the interesting one. See the interesting one. Set of leading symbols A, B, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E. That is okay. But remember everyone. Starting, there is a one person. See this one. Starting, there is a one person, right? Who is epsilon. First leading symbol is epsilon. There is a first person. See, that is some people are asking, who, right? Who is there before A, sir? Reddy, sir, how can you say someone is there? Before A, who is there? That is the meaning of zero length. E will be there everywhere. That is the meaning of zero length. How zero length person is visible to you? How zero length person is visible to you, yeah? How zero length person is visible? If anyone say, Reddy sir, how many kids you have? Actually, I don't have kids. I don't have kids. If anyone asks, Reddy sir, how many kids you have? I will say I have one kid. Everyone say, where is your kid? Where is your kid? Array epsilon, yaar, how visible? Array reddies are having how many kids? One kid. If anyone asks me, some people will use to call me and will ask, reddies are how many kids you have? One kid. One kid. Then they will say, where is he? Where is he? Array man, epsilon, yaar, how he is visible? How the epsilon visible, yaar? Some people are asking, how can you say, right? How can you say before a someone is there? That is the meaning of epsilon. So first prefix is epsilon. Second prefix is A. Third prefix is AB, ABC, ABCD, ABCD. So every string consists of epsilon. Exactly. Now let me ask you one more interesting question. One more interesting question. Can you help me? After E, ABCD, after E, epsilon there? Yes. After E, epsilon there? Yes. E will be there everywhere. But what is the point of writing epsilon two times? Write one time. So one prefix is epsilon, one prefix is A, one prefix AB, one prefix ABC, one prefix ABCD, one prefix ABCD. So remember, this is the only thing which you miss. This is the only thing which you miss. Right? This is the only thing which you miss. Now understand. So if you see the length of the string, A, B, C, D, E, 5 length, right? 5. So 5 prefixes are there. Can you see? 5 prefixes are there, including him, one more, 6. Totally 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 prefixes. So now I will try one more. See this one? Prefix of, careful, prefix of A. Prefix of A is equal to first epsilon, next A, which is 2 prefixes. Some people are asking, then what about prefix of epsilon? Prefix of epsilon is epsilon, which is 1. Manohar Bhaiya, yes, epsilon will be there everywhere. Epsilon there starting, epsilon there middle, epsilon there end. Epsilon is sarvantaryami. Epsilon is sarvantaryami. He will be there everywhere. Epsilon is sarvantaryami. He will be there everywhere. Is epsilon is there in my eyes? Yes. Is epsilon is there? Is epsilon is there in your ears? Yes. Epsilon is everywhere. Total TOC contain epsilon. Total TOC contain epsilon. Not one place, two place. Every page of TOC. You take the TOC book. You take the TOC book, or you take your notes also. TOC book you take your notes also. Everywhere. First page also epsilon there. Second page also epsilon. Only place where epsilon not there in the TOC. Introduction class. First, I controlled myself. I start. First class, can I keep epsilon? Array, man. Anyhow, second, right? After a few days, every day he will come. Why should I spoil students? Why should I spoil students' life? So first day I controlled. Second day when I started epsilon saying, hello, Mr. Reddy, you missed me. Yesterday you didn't said me. Don't you say today? Array, bhaiya, epsilon, bhaiya. Control, yaar. Few minutes control. In the next class, I will do. Right? Others to way to kill the students. Then epsilon said, okay. Third class starting. Again, epsilon said, why don't you take me? Arey, bhaiya, you will come every day, na? From next day onwards. Just wait few days. I controlled. So see, now I cannot. There is no way to control. Epsilon is there everywhere. Epsilon is there everywhere. So prefix of epsilon. So epsilon 1. Prefix of A, epsilon comma A 2. Okay, fine, perfect. I feel everyone is comfortable. Now understand, because of everyone is okay. Now I am saying one very, very important one. Listen everyone. Very, very interesting line. Very, very interesting line. See this. See this one. Very, very interesting. Prefix of ABC. Understand this one. Prefix of ABC. Prefix of ABC. Everyone understand. Prefix of ABC. First, listen. When you say prefix, always you should come from left hand side. When you say prefix, always you have to come left side. Prefix means always come from left side. Can you see the first prefix? Epsilon. Can you see the second prefix? Everyone understand. Second prefix, epsilon dot A. What is the third prefix? Epsilon dot AB. What is the fourth prefix? Epsilon dot ABC. So remember, epsilon is epsilon, okay. Epsilon dot A is A. Epsilon dot AB is AB. Epsilon dot ABC. Some people are asking how. See this one. It is a 0 length, it is a 1 length. 0 plus 1 length is 1 length. So 1. It is a 0 length, it is a 2 length. 0 plus 2 length is 2 length. So it is a 2. It is a 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. It is a 3. So conclusion is, listen. So conclusion is, if it is 3 length, number of prefixes are 3 plus 1, 4. That is okay. Right? But one more important point. Listen, one more important point. Can you see this one? Prefix of string whose length is n. Prefix of string whose length is n contain n plus 1 prefixes. That is okay. But see the one more note. This is the one note. Prefix of a string which contain n length string. N plus 1 prefix is okay. Can you see the one more important note? Epsilon dot anything is anything. Next one, A dot epsilon, A. So same example, see, epsilon dot ABC. Epsilon dot AB. Right? Some people are asking, sir, how, sir? 0 plus, assume it is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. This is these two, right? This is very important. This is the very important. Epsilon dot means concatenation. Sir, what is the meaning of these dots, sir? Concatenation. Epsilon dot A. Epsilon dot anything is anything. Anything dot epsilon, anything. No, do you have any doubt? Bro, do you have any doubt? I want answer from all the people. I want answer from all. Please say to me. I want answer from all. Please say to me, do you have any doubt? Any doubt there? Fine. Can I move next? Yeah, you got perfect. You are perfect now. Prefix over, let's go to suffix. Prefix over, let's go to suffix. Prefix you done. Little doubt is there. Same story will repeat for next one also. Can you see this? Suffix. Suffix of A, B, C, D, E, it is also string, which is equal to, listen, which is equal to set of all tailing symbols. Previously leading symbols, now tailing symbols. Set of all tailing symbols. Previously leading symbols, now tailing symbols, which is equal to, right, suffix of ABCD is equal to set of all tailing symbols. Set of all tailing. Tailing means what? Last. Leading means from the left to, tailing means from right. Can you see from right? From right, first epsilon there. Next one is epsilon, right? E followed by epsilon. Next one is, right, D followed by epsilon. Next one is CDE followed by epsilon. Remember, from the last, right? From the last will be there all. From last all will be there. Same string only. You cannot write in the reverse order, but you are doing from the right hand side. Same string only you have to write. You cannot write reverse order. From the last you have to write. Okay, fine. So next one, one more. B, C, D, E, epsilon. One more. A, B, C, D, E, epsilon. So which will goes to epsilon, right? E, D, E. Next one is C, D, E. Next one is B, C, D, E. Next one A, B, C, D, E. So like that. Fine. Suffix also you done. So now next one, some people are asking, sir, how many suffixes? Suppose if it is n length, here n plus 1 suffixes. Epsilon, E, D, E, C, D, E, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, see, that's the meaning. Life is always like this. Life is always like this. Life will be always like this. How life is always like this. How, right? How means starting will be trouble. See, whenever prefix going on, you face some difficulty. Suffix nothing. So prefix times some difficulty you got. Suffix is like that. So what I mean to say is starting everything trouble. Starting everything trouble. First exam is difficult. First exam is difficult, right? First, right? When you first exam is difficult when you are studying first class, going to the initial days to the school. That is also difficult. You will say so many times, Mama, I don't go to school. I don't go to school, Mama. Mama, I don't go to school. So first, right? First year of school also difficult. First problem is difficult. Right? When you marry, initial days difficult. You and your wife, or you and your partner, they both will fight. You and your partner will fight. Initial days you will fight. 1 year you will fight. Afterwards it will become normal. Normal. First year BTech is difficult. First year BTech difficult. First class is difficult. First exam difficult. See, prefix time you cried a lot. Whenever prefix going on, you cried. See, suffix, how much nicely I done. Within 1 minute I done everything you got. Within 1 minute I done. Suffix of A, B, C, D, E, assume that 5. Then set of all tailing symbols. Tailing means last. So if you see n plus 1 suffixes, over, right? Perfect. Can you help me now? Prefix and suffix, what is common? For any string, if you find prefix also, if you find suffix also, what is common? I think epsilon common. For the prefix and suffix, what is common? Epsilon common and string also common. Am I right? For a prefix and suffix, epsilon common, string also common. See, every string is prefix to itself. See, every string is prefix to itself. See, every string is prefix to itself. Epsilon will be there, that string also. Every string is prefix to itself. A, B, C, D. Someone is saying length. So what I'm saying is, for the given string, if you find the prefixes also, suffixes also, right? One common prefix is epsilon, one more common prefix is string itself. Common prefixes, not length I'm asking, common prefixes. Right? First one, last one, common. First one, last one, right? For every, if you take any string, find prefix also, find suffix also. See, for A, B, C, D, I find out prefixes. So this one. So if I find suffix also, right? This one. These two are common. Maybe some more may be common, but these two are guarantee common. Guarantee common. Right, perfect. So prefix also okay, suffix also okay. G codes, is it okay? G codes, is it okay? Can we go further? For every, right, if you take any string, find prefix also, find suffix also. Right, I think epsilon is the common prefix, common, right? Epsilon is the prefix also, suffix also. String also, prefix also, suffix also. Two things are common in the prefixes also, suffixes also. What is prefix? Set of all leading symbols. What is suffix? Set of all tailing symbols. Okay. Bro, okay. Hello. Is it okay? Can we move next? We done very good work. We done very good work. Can we move next? Can we move next? Bro, can we move next? Bolo, bolo, yaar, bolo. I am not asking your property. I am not asking your property. This G codes person, he will ask the question and he will go somewhere. The problem with the G codes is he will ask answer, you will ask the question and we will give answer. When we ask question, now you don't give. The problem with the G codes is he will ask the question, we should give answer. But when we ask the question, now he don't give. He don't give. He is always like that G codes. The problem with the G codes is this only. We ask question. He don't respond. When he asks, we should give answer. Right. Now I think prefix over, suffix over, string also over. Next one, substring. Take this one also. Substring. Substring. Substring of a given string. Substring of a given string is take any subset, but it should be continuous. Substring of a given string is take any subset, but it should be continuous. Should be continuous. Subset of a, right, substring of a given string is take any subset of that string, but it should be continuous. Take the subset of that string, but it should be continuous. If anyone having doubt, you can see one example. Example will give clarity. See the example, everyone. I'm giving one example. Substring of ABC is equal to, listen everyone, substring of ABC, everyone understand. Substring of ABC is equal to, first of all, from that zero length substring you take epsilon. Epsilon is their starting, epsilon is their ending, epsilon can be anywhere. So first substring is epsilon. Next one, right, zero length substring, it is a zero length substring. So one zero length substring. Okay, that's okay. Next one, one length substring. Only A you can take, only B you can take, only C you can take. So one length substrings, 3. Next one, two length. Let's take the two length. Remember, when you are taking more than one symbol, you have to take continuously. You can take AB, you can take BC, right? You can take AB, you can take BC. I think that is the only thing, AB, BC. So two length substrings, 2. Let's take 3 length. Yeah. Let's take the 3 length. 3 length I am taking. Can you see this one? 3 length A, B, C. It's not visible, so let me take white color. A, B, C. It is a 3 length. 3 length substrings are 1. So remember everyone. See, if you see from bottom, see this one. If you see from bottom, right? If at all it is a n length, it is a n length issue. It is a n length. Here n is 3. Here n is 3. So n length things are n length thing, right? N length. N is what? 3. N length strings are n length substrings are only 1. N minus 1 length is only 2. N minus 2 length is only 3. So if you observe clearly, it is sum of n natural numbers, right? This is 1 extra. It is 1 extra. So for the n length string, the number of substrings are sum of n natural numbers plus 1. Right? N length string, the number of substrings are sum of n natural number. Why sum of n natural number? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 extra. Right? So which is nothing but sigma n, sum of n natural number plus 1. Sum of n natural number formula, n into n plus 1 by 2 plus 1. This is number of substrings. Number of substrings. For the number of substrings for the n length string. Number of substrings for the n length string. Yeah, sir, substring versus subsequence. Substring versus subsequence. Substring means continuous. Subsequence means need not be continuous. When you say subsequence, now you have to say continuous subsequence. Okay. When you say substring, right? When you say substring, you have to take by default continuous. But I don't want to confuse the people. I given the clear clarity, right? Fine. Subsequence need not be continuous, but substring is continuous, right? Perfect. Thanks for asking, Dev. Thank you so much. Now, I am giving one more example. You will get the clarity. Can you see this one? One more example I am giving. You will get the clarity. Can you see this one? One more example I am giving. You will get the clarity. Please see this one. Substring of A, B, C, D. I cannot write more because more will come, right? Let's take only 4. So if you see the 4, right? So I'm trying this one, right? So you know very well. First one, 0 length you take epsilon. Second one, 1 length. It is 1. That is okay. This is 4. 2 length. A, B, B, C, C, D. 3. Next one, 3 length. A, B, C, B, C, D. 1 length. A, B, C, D. So this is going to be sum of n natural number. Right? Sigma n plus 1. Sigma 4 plus 1. Sum of 4 natural number. 4 into 5 by 2 plus 1. 20 by 2. 20 by 2. 10. 10 plus 1. 11. 11 check. So 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Plus 1. 11. Save. Okay, fine. This is also okay. Bro, this is also okay. Perfect. Okay. Now let me say this. Let me say this one now. Right? Let me say this. So from the next Monday onwards, new batch starting. Next Monday onwards, new batch starting. So utilize this. Next Monday onwards, new batch is going on. Right? So you can inform to your friends. Right? You can inform to your friends. For all the people, remember, syllabus should be over August ending. August ending, syllabus should be over. Remember this. Right? August ending, syllabus should be over. Remember this. Right? Next Monday onwards, right? Aptitude is starting by, right? Aptitude is starting by Dheeraj sir. He is having 20 years experience, 300 batches he completed. 300 batches, not one batch, two batch. This aptitude, whatever is going to start, it will be useful to gate examination also, PSU examination also, placements also. It will be useful to all, placements also, gate also, right? Placement also, gate also, PSU also, right? Everything, it will be useful, everything. This aptitude will be useful, everything. So many shortcuts he will say. So many shortcuts he will say. Please utilize it. Now, this is the current batch going on. This is the current batch going on. This is for gate and this is gate for, right? Gate and PSUs. This is for gate and PSUs, right? You can join whatever course you want, right? So 80% is going on for the old students. Old student 80% offer going on. Those people who completed gate 2026, rank predictor is already live, right? Main rank predictor will be open after key will come. Main rank predictor will come after key will come. This is the right pre-gate predictor. Pre-gate predictor. Next one, right? So these are the free resources which you can use in our website. It is there. Please use it. Next one, these are the things you can see this. Most of the questions will come from our notes only. So I request you everyone, please concentrate on the notes. Please concentrate on the notes. Notes only, most of the questions will come. Whatever we will say in the notes only will come. If you want, you can check next year also. Right? Next one, these are our rankers. These are our rankers. Last year, Avichal, our student. Last year, our student is Avichal. He got the 4th rank. It's the top rank in the last year. 1, 2, 3, we don't know who are those. Right? 4th rank is the top rank. So these are our placement student who placed already. Thank you. Right? In the next class, we'll see. But I want to say to everyone, tomorrow morning, can I take? 6 o'clock morning, can we start? Evening, you can attend the aptitude. Morning, right? Sorry, evening, you can attend the right aptitude. Morning, can we start? Morning, can we start? TOC. Morning, 6 o'clock, can we start TOC? From tomorrow onwards in the EPT portal. Tomorrow onwards, EPT portal. Morning, 6 o'clock, can I start? How many people not okay? How many people not okay? Morning 6 o'clock. Tomorrow morning 6 o'clock. Evening aptitude will start. Monday onwards. I am making you ready. I am making you ready. I am making you ready. No, on the EPT platform. On EPT platform. On EPT platform. Morning 6 o'clock on EPT platform. Yeah, 6 a.m. 6 to 8. 6 to 8 on EPT platform. Can we go ahead? Two hours. Yes. Can we go ahead? Anyone having any objection? You can send to me personally also. You can send to me personally also. If you have any doubt, you can send to me personally also. Right? Perfect. Yeah. See you in the next class. Tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock. If anyone is not there in the group, I request you, please join. If you are not there in the group, I request you, please join. I request everyone, please join. If you are not there in the group, I request you, please join. Are you there in the group or not? Verify. If you are not there in the group, I request you join. It's the EPT group. So that if any doubt is there, you can ask. It feels class over early today. Yes, but it is today's class is the biggest class. I think so. Today's class is the biggest class. I am keeping the poison slowly. Slowly I am keeping poison. Slowly I am keeping poison. One day will come. 3 hours class also you will say, is it over? 3 hours class also you will say, is it over? Slowly I am keeping poison. Right, perfect. Yeah, tomorrow 6 o'clock. Early morning 6 o'clock. It will be, right, class will be live. Class will be live, right? You can see in the app also, web also. You can see in the app also, web also. It will be live at 8 o'clock. Sorry, it is 8:30 now. 9 o'clock it will be live. 9 o'clock it will be there. You can check. Right, app also, web also you can see. Okay, fine, perfect. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Good night.